Hey, welcome to my How to Profit from Public Domain review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful system that lets you legally use books, movies, music, and other content for free and turn them into profitable digital products you can sell as your own. And here's the best part. You don't need to write anything from scratch, hire expensive freelancers, or deal with complicated copyright issues. Just grab what's already available and monetize it. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upsells, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Verdict and I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and digital product sales. If you love passive income strategies and business in a box opportunities, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my future reviews. And here's a special treat. When you grab How to Profit from Public Domain through my exclusive link below, you'll get some amazing bonuses that will help you maximize your results. These are available for a limited time, so check the description before they're gone. What is How to Profit from Public Domain? So what exactly is How to Profit from Public Domain? It's a done-for-you PLR package that teaches you how to find, repurpose, and sell content from the public domain. If you want to create and sell ebooks, courses, audiobooks, or printables without spending a dime on content creation, this is the perfect shortcut. No writing required, no legal headaches, 100% profits in your pocket. You get a full PLR business in a box, meaning you can rebrand it, sell it as your own, and keep every penny. Standout features that caught my eye. What makes this package so powerful? Here are some standout features. Check step-by-step training. Learn exactly how to find and monetize public domain content. Done-for-you sales page and lead magnet. Sell it instantly without writing copy. Pre-written emails. Just plug and play to start selling on autopilot. Pro-level graphics and e-covers. Make your brand stand out. Multiple monetization options. Turn it into an ebook, online course, or bundle it with other offers. How it works. Super simple. Let me quickly walk you through how easy it is to start profiting with this. 1. Find and download free content. Grab books, music, or videos from public domain sources. 2. Rebrand and monetize. Add your branding, package it into a product, or turn it into an audiobook or course. 3. Sell and profit. List it on Amazon, Etsy, or your website and keep 100% of the profits. No technical skills needed. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main package, you'll have the option to upgrade and unlock even more features. Let's take a look. Upsell 1, $37. Advanced strategies for scaling your public domain business. Upsell 2, $37. More done-for-you content packs to expand your product line. Upsell 3, $97. Premium business toolkit with advanced templates and automation. Pick the ones that fit your needs and skip the rest. What I love about How to Profit from Public Domain. Here's what I really love about this package. Perfect for beginners. No experience required. 100% profit potential. You own the rights to everything. Works in multiple niches. Use public domain content for self-help, fiction, business, and more. Plug and play business. Get started instantly without product creation. What could be better? While this is a great system, it's not a magic button. You still need to take action. This package gives you the tools, but your success depends on how well you use them. Not ideal for highly customized products. If you want a unique, never seen before product, you'll need to put in extra work. But overall, it's a fantastic shortcut to owning a digital product business without writing or coding. Final verdict, should you get it? So is How to Profit from Public Domain worth it? If you're looking for a proven, low-cost way to start making money online, this is a no-brainer. You get a done-for-you business, full rights, and multiple ways to profit. It's beginner-friendly, and it's a one-time payment. So if you're serious about turning free content into passive income, click the link below and grab your copy now. And don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my How to Profit from Public Domain review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Happy profiting!